I'm Abigail Posner. I love to speak about leadership and innovation and creativity.
And of course, the intersection of culture, humanity, and technology.
Digital isn't just human enough. It actually amplifies human experience, allowing us to tap and assert and unleash deep-seated human needs and desires and aspirations, in some cases like never before.
We have to dig deeper. We have to ask why. Why are they doing what they're doing? Why are they so enamored with their phones or with our YouTube videos or with our pictures is actually really meaningful and beautiful.
I feel like I've got to make some imprint in this world, and I want to do it uniquely, and I want to be able to share that enthusiasm that I have for all these different aspects of my life with others.
I'm joined by one of the brightest strategic minds, a strategic planner, a great speaker, needs to write a book. Google's Abigail Posner. How are you, Abigail?
I'm awesome. Thanks for having me, Jeffrey.
While my world may not be engineering per se, it is constantly on the quest to develop new ideas and to develop new thinking.
I just love decoding all these different stories that people have of their lives, how they live, and what they think about, what they care about, what their values are. It could be about anything.
I'm Abigail Posner, the host of Decoded, a series of episodes where we dive in and try to explain or decode certain subcultures, all in a few minutes.
Exactly. I just want to launch into that.
I'm so happy to be here.
It sounds cool, but I don't understand. This is what decoding is all about.
So much nuance and so much depth to uncover and reveal. And when you do that, you learn how interesting people really are and really what makes them tick. And then ultimately you learn about yourself and what makes you tick. And it just connects us all. It's super cool.